in South Africa. We measure material. Now, material, it depends on the type of business that you are doing. If you are using a material like flour or milling or any material that comes in solid form, you will measure it in kilograms, right? When you are, I think we know Mpho. Mpho. What is Mpho? Yes, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Ne? So when something has mass, it has weight. Okay. Now, things that have mass and occupy space can be solid or liquid or yes, solid, liquid, yes, and now we've got a new one which is called plasma. Plasma is not solid, it's not liquid, and it's not gas. It's plasma. Yes, God. I get plasma TV right there. We know where I used to work with that thing is very dangerous. In fact, you know that in the whole world there are only 3 companies that make plasma TV. And in most of those companies, I don't know whether they are because you can't last. Zero imaging, from start to finish. Because 6 months. Now, back to material. I'm saying material will be influenced or will be determined by the form of material. If you are using solid, it will be kilograms. If you are using liquid, it will be grams. Sorry. If you are using different types of material, then you will put them together and use rands. The unit for machine will be machine hours. Now this is important because I said productivity tells us how much output is derived per unit